In this problem, we're given that 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals to 65. What's the value of m? We have two powers of m's on the left side of the equation, so we're going to try to remove one of these m's. We're going to do this by dividing both sides by 3 to the power of m. However, before we divide it, notice that 3 to the power of m cannot equal to 0 because no exponent is equal to 0. So this means that we can divide both sides. So 1 minus 2 to the power of m over 3 to the power of m equals to 65 over 3 to the power of m. We can then move 2 to the power of m divided by 3 to the power of m to the right side. So you'll have 1 equals to 65 to the power of 3m divided by 3 to the power of m plus, we can simplify this because 2 to the power of m divided by 3 to the power of m is equals to 2 divided by 3 to the power of m. Now let's think of this. We can think of this as a function because this will tell us about how many solutions this will have. So instead of just 1, we can have f of x equals to 65 over 3 to the power of m plus 2 over 3 to the power of m. Notice that for the first part, for any fraction, to make the fraction as large as possible, you want the denominator to be as small as possible. And then when m is increasing, this means that the denominator is increasing and the fraction is decreasing. Same goes for this one. For any fraction, if we raise it to a power, the bigger the exponent that we raise it to, the smaller the fractions will be. So this means that when m increases, f of x decreases. We can draw a graph to represent this. First of all, if you just replace f of x with 1, we can call this point 1, then since this exponential function is decreasing, this means that the function will look like this. When x is increasing, y, or f of x, is decreasing. So this will mean that the function will look like this, and also it will only be one intersection point, which means there's only one solution. So one intersection point gives us one solution. Now to find a solution, we don't actually have to solve this exponential equation. We can just eyeball this because notice that when m equals to 4, this expression will equal to 65. So 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equals to 65. And this is the only answer because there's only one solution. So we have m equals to 4. And that is how you solve this problem.